Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take your language learning to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to show you some tips and tricks to make learning another language high engaging and effective. So grab your notebook, pen, and let's get started. Number 1. Start by setting a goal. Whether it's to be able to carry on a conversation with a native speaker, read a novel in the language, or pass a language proficiency test, having a clear goal in mind will help you stay motivated and focused. Number 2. Immerse yourself in the language. One of the best ways to learn a language is to surround yourself with it. Watch TV shows and movies in the language you're learning, listen to music and podcasts, and try to have conversations with native speakers if possible. Number 3. Use flashcards and mnemonic devices. A great way to memorize new vocabulary words is to use flashcards or mnemonic devices. You can also use apps like Anki or Quizlet to make flashcards on your phone and take them with you wherever you go. Number 4. Practice speaking as much as possible. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become with the language. You can find language exchange partners online or through apps like Tandem, or practice speaking with a tutor or language teacher. Number 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language can be frustrating at times, but it's important to remember that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't get discouraged if you don't get something right the first time. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips and tricks will help you make learning another language high engaging and effective. Remember to keep practicing and immersing yourself in the language, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. See you in the next video.